So today I went to a swap meet and I got this. It's an old engine. The brand is Jap. I don't know, it might be 1940, 1930 engine. It's 2-stroke, which makes the restoration quite a lot easier, but it looks epic. So, you know, not too bad condition, but it's going to be something to do. I'll start by taking the engine really to pieces, having a look mostly at the cylinder head, because that will give me the most of the big idea. One good thing is that in the tank, no rust. Since it's a 2-stroke, you add the oil in, that might be why it's saved. And also it's got a cap, not like the CT200, which came without a cap and was super rusty. Yeah, just fuel on off switch. And that carb. It's all quite amazing. Choke. Just operated like that. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of work. Let's get it. Okay, here it is. First look inside. Not too bad. It's got a little bit of move, but I don't think it should be too much of a problem. I'll see if... Oh yeah, quite old. You can see some numbers. Not too much carbon on here. So I'll keep on taking stuff off. Yeah, that's one thing. There's another thing that this is broken off, but I don't think we really need to worry about this. It should just run fine without one fin. Well, I've taken the gas tank off, so it's going to be a lot easier. I think I'm going to fully just take apart the engine and just grease everything up, clean it all up. The engine, I actually have to check, but underneath all that grease, it's kind of giving it a protection against the elements, so yeah. Yeah, that's quite clean. This will need a repainting because these are originally black. That will need some cleaning up. Yeah. I hope the carb works quite well, because this is just totally just seized. I think it's the pump bottle, something like that. Don't really know, since this is a stationary engine, it might be just something that you push it. I don't know, but this is just seized. I'm going to have to get another one of these little things. Oh yeah, that's the engine number. Just going to have to look that up, serial number. See what type of engine I've got, so that'll be quite interesting. Gonna keep on going, keep on taking parts off. Shouldn't be a long project, maybe a couple of days, maybe a week, which is actually quite long. But the inside is quite dirty. Just go like that. Toothbrush and it's not much work. This will clean off underneath. It's quite clean. I'm gonna keep on going, just cleaning stuff out. I'm gonna have to give all these parts a bath, except for the alternator with dynamo. And that is all the parts of the engine taken apart. So all they need now is a clean. This needs repainting. This needs a painting. This needs just a rebuild, probably. And then it's just going to be putting it all together and then just starting it up. So this stuff's looking quite good because stuff's going quite quickly. So you've got the float inside this little part. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, so it's coming off. Got the air filter under here. Not much of an air filter anyway. It's just basically a thick metal grill. Yeah, that's what you can get through. It's quite a lot of rubbish. Got a lot of twigs and stuff that you can get in. It's here. I don't think this needs really a cleanup or like a full strip. I don't want to do anything that will break it. So I have no idea how these work really. We'll see. You've got a fuel filter or something like that. It's quite interesting. Just a little mesh. We'll have a look what's in here. See if I can actually get this off, because the bolt looks quite worn down. Oh yeah, yeah, there you go. Don't really know what I need to clean up. There's a couple parts. Just spray them down with the CRC. Get a rag down in there.